Hello guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm going to be trying digital detox or dopamine detox. So what I have to do in this is I will not be using any social media, not be using any Instagram, YouTube, anything, not watch any movies, no Netflix, no Prime, no nothing, just sit and chill, okay? And I won't be allowed to use anything which is remotely entertaining. This phenomenon will go on for a week, and spoiler alert, I failed, okay? I failed miserably at this and couldn't even last a single day. So the video which you're about to watch now is a video of me expecting that I will be completing this detox, which I won't be finally. So yeah, so just watch the video to get to know about this. Before you go into the video, there's a red button below this video which has subscribe button on it. So just click it. 50 minutes are left for it to be 12 o'clock, and then I'll be starting my digital detox. And I have to like eat these in 50 minutes and watch a web series along with it. So yeah, it's my last time in a week. I'll be watching all of this and doing all this stuff. Bought these review coming out real soon. And also one more thing here, these chocolate, this is like a very cheap chocolate, 5 रुपए की chocolate आती है बस, and this is so tasty, I cannot tell you man. Like गाँव में भैया ही मिलती है, इससे ज़्यादा अच्छी कोई मिलती नहीं है chocolate. If you compare it with a MacBook ना, तो भाई देखो इतनी बढ़िया है भाई. ठीक है, काफ़ी टेस्टी है. If you want to try it out, you can try it out. Also we get small cokes here, 20 रुपए वाली, बढ़िया है भाई. ये भी बढ़िया है. इसका भी आपको रीज़न बताऊंगा कि छोटी कोक क्यों पीनी चाहिए बड़ी कोक के अलावा फर्दर इन द वीडियो for the digital detox and kurkure. So भाई एक हफ्ते के लिए bye bye to this, bye bye to the movies, bye bye to the bye bye to Instagram and everything. So yeah. So the detox has officially started. I just heard my last song on my earphones, and yeah, it's pretty much started now, and I can't hear a song for another week. So today is Wednesday, so I can't hear a song till the next Wednesday, which is about to come, and I also have my exam on the next Wednesday. So yeah, that's a pretty thing. But all I have to do is not listen to music and not listen to anything. Well, everything's going to be fine, but the biggest problem which I'm thinking I'm going to face is not listening to music, dude. That is on another level. Like, how the hell will I spend so much time without listening to music? Because it's just mentally. I have freaking 3 big speakers, a earphone, another pair of headphones. I have these headphones wired, and then I have another one in my box. Like I have these Sony. I just like listening to music so much. I have so many things listening to music, but I don't know how it will go. So yeah, day one has, so I'll make a plan as to what I have to do today, right now, and what I have to do tomorrow, and what I have to do now. So let's make a plan on that, and yeah, so let's get down and start making some plans.
Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this.
So I've officially made the day one plan. I'm going to show it to you. Day one plan which I have as of now is, first I need to finish data warehouse and data mining. So that's what my exam is for. And the second one is finish with at least 10 t-shirt designs. And third is revise BRM. BRM is another subject. And then fourth is hit the home gym, where I have to pick up dumbbells and just hit the home gym. To start off with, finish data warehouse and data mining right now. Like I'll do everything till 1 o'clock or something, and sleep, and then wake up in the morning at 9 o'clock, have my breakfast without watching TV, without watching anything on my laptop. And that's going to be really scary. I can't watch YouTube, Spotify, music, nothing I can do, man. That feels like such a headache, and I don't know how I will cope up with that. And also I can edit my videos. For editing my video, I will need to listen to some background music, but yeah, that music is not the music which I typically like, but it's there for the background. So yeah, that's all I'm going to hear the music for. The rest that I'm not going to hear any music of any sort. So yep. So I was just editing my video, and the screen went blank, and ekdam se this logo appeared. So I guess it opened up again, but I don't know, I'm not sure what the problem really was. Yeah, so it's 1 o'clock almost. Let me just check the time. So it's 1:03 as you can see, and yeah, as you can see, it's the video is rendered. It's just 92%. The video has been edited, and it's at approximately 1 o'clock. I'll just about sleep in around half an hour after I read a book or something. The video has been edited, and it will be uploaded to my channel tomorrow, which is Tuesday. And I'm going to sleep, and yeah, I'll meet in the morning now.
The next day.
So I got up at 10 o'clock, finished my breakfast, slept for 8 hours and 2 minutes to be precise, and had a lot of REM sleep. I don't know what the reason for that was. I should do some more work, but I don't like. I just need a little bit break, so I'll just go outside and have some fun with my dogs. Just check them for ticks and all that stuff. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so this is where the cows and all sit. Making them sit in the shade and all that stuff. And there's my dog. He's waiting for me. If you're guessing why we tie him here, there's a separate story to that which I'll tell you. But yeah, he's here. Nice Pamela. Oh, the second one is there. So. Oh, okay, I'll get you some water. So this is a tube well where I got the water. So this is actually clean drinking water. You can drink this water. So I'll just go and give this water to my dogs. I haven't shown this dog in my vlogs before. Actually, this is a dog which we adopted, and I wasn't sure that we were going to keep him or anything. But now that we're sure we're going to keep him, I have shown it to you. So yeah, his name is Cruz. Okay, so his name is Tom, and this one's name is Cruz. So Tom Cruise here to help you out. So if you're asking for the reason why they tied here, well, actually, my father had bought some trees. Okay, so trees were like small trees. I'd say they were like this big. Okay, and they were for growing mangoes and all that stuff. So what these two did is they broke the trees. Okay, and it's not the first time they've done that. They've done that like thrice before also. So that's why, as a punishment, they have been kept here. They'll be kept here for around, I don't know, like for 1 or 2 hours or something of that sort. And if they do something like that again, they'll again be kept here for punishment. So a friendly reminder, just keep checking your dog for ticks every once in a while, because they have a lot of ticks. And even if you have given them injections or something of that sort, which I have too, I still find a lot of ticks, especially in this region, in this neck region. I always find, and like in once or twice a day, I do find some ticks right here. Here, there are always some ticks. So I just like keep on searching for ticks every time I do this, and they're usually just like stuck into his skin like that, and that's so weird. But yeah, just need to take care of your dogs if you plan on keeping them. And also I need to make them have a bath. It's been a lot of time, they're very dirty. So yeah, it was a pretty abrupt cut, I would say. So let's just talk about how I finished my detox. So after I pet the dogs and all that stuff, I went to just go out and go for cycling with my friend. While cycling, I just saw Chow Mein burger shop there, and it might sound weird, but that's just so tasty. If you want to kidnap me, you can have that with you, and you can pretty much kidnap me. I can stop and eat that stuff. So yeah, that's pretty weird, and I just couldn't resist it, and I ate it, and with that I broke my detox. And I'm really ashamed to say this, that a burger broke my detox, but yeah, that's the thing. And this shows, okay, like with this video, what I'm trying to do is I'm basically trying to spread awareness and all that stuff, because we see on YouTube, we see on many places that people have tried stuff and they have succeeded at it. Okay, I also made this video after watching a YouTuber, the link will be in the description, watching this guy succeed at dopamine detox, and I was like, if he can do it, why can't I do it? But I failed. Okay, and this is not like this is not the last time I'll be doing a detox. I will do a detox in the future. Okay, like maybe by the end of this year I will do it. I'll try it a single day detox, and then I'll try to do a 2-day detox, 3-day detox, and then finally I'll go on to a week. Let's talk about some of the experiences which I had while doing the detox. Watching a movie while having breakfast, like eating cornflakes without having a series or without having YouTube on, is pretty weird. For the first time, and even in the lunch, when I was having lunch, I was like, it was feeling pretty weird just sitting at the table and eating and doing nothing along with it. Because even when I was in boarding school, we used to have a TV in front of us, so I pretty much have eaten with the TV on my entire life. So it was pretty weird this way. It just shows the amount that the effect the dopamine has on us. Like, so I wasn't able to go a single day without dopamine, so you can just imagine the toll it has on us. Yes, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and leave a like. And yeah, that's pretty much it.